Welcome to My Skills My Future. Right, in this live session we are going to discuss the PYQ of RRB Group D, which was held on 18th August to shift 1. In last live session we discussed some questions in the same paper. In this live session we are going to discuss some more question in the same paper. Okay, right. Very soonly we are starting a free online batches for banking, placements, RRB and SSC. So if you want to join our free online classes, just scan to register. Okay, right. Right, sorry, a small technical problem. Right, okay. See, in last session we discussed some questions in the same paper. In this session we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, right. See the question, one of the roots of the equation x square minus 12x plus k is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation is given. One of the root is given, that is 3. So what is the other root? Okay, what is the other root? So if you see the question, at least we are seeing one question on quadratic equation. Okay, right. So the question is like what is sum of the quadratic equation, or what are the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, or product of the roots of the quadratic equation. So if you see, this question is based on quadratic equation, but they given one root value, we need to find the other root value. Okay, in last live session, sorry, in the last previous discussed paper, we see the question based on quadratic equation, what is the product of roots, and one more question is there, what is the sum of the roots of that particular equation. Okay, see that here the question is one of the roots of the quadratic equation x is 3, then the other root is, okay, option 1 x is equal to minus 9, option 2 x is equal to minus 4, option 3 x is equal to 9, option 4 x is equal to 4. Okay, right, what is the given equation is x square minus 12x plus k is equal to 0 is the given equation. In that they given one root value. Okay, that is 6. Okay, so we know the two important things of quadratic equation. One is the sum of roots of the quadratic equation, and the other one is the product of roots of the quadratic equation. So by using sum of the roots of quadratic equation, sum of the roots of quadratic equation is nothing but minus b by a, minus b by a. So by using this minus b by a, we can find the sum of roots of equation. Okay, so by using this concept, they asked one question in previous paper. Okay, right. See, so here a is equal to 1, coefficient of x square, b is equal to nothing but coefficient of x minus 2, sorry, minus 12. Okay, so sum of roots of quadratic equation is minus b by a. So minus b is equal to minus 12. Okay, minus 12 by a is equal to 1, nothing but sum of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation is 12. In that they given one value. So let us consider it is as alpha. Okay, let us consider alpha is equal to 3 and we need to find what is the beta value. Sum of roots of quartic equation, we find the value that is 12. In that they given one value 3, we need to find other value that is nothing but beta. Okay, so beta is equal to 12 minus 3, we get 9. Other root is 9. Okay, the other root is 9. If you see the options, option 3, x is equal to the other root is nothing but 9. Okay, so damn surely we are seeing one, at least one question on based on quartic equation. The question is like what is the product of question, and the question is sum of the roots of the question. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question here. The question is based on proportion. Proportion is nothing but equality of two ratios. See the question, if 9 is to 12, proportionate 12 is to x and 28 is to 42, proportionate 42 is to y is given question. Okay, so then the value of 2x plus y, then the value of 2x plus y. Okay, so proportionate means equality of two ratios. Okay, equality of two ratios. So 9 by 12 is equal to 12 by x. So x is equal to 12 into 12 by 9. So x is equal to 12 into 12 by 9. So we know 12 square 144. So by 9. So 9 ones are 9 16s are 16 9s 144. So x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. So here we can write 28 by 42 is equal to 42 by y. So then y is equal to 42 into 42 by 28. So we see the number 28 and 42 in 14 table. 14 2s are 14 3s are. Okay, 14 2s are 14 3s are. So 2 1s are 2 21s are. So y is equal to 21 into 3, nothing but 63. So y is equal to 63. So what is our question? 2x plus y. So our question is 2x plus y. So 9 is to 12 proportionate to 12 is to x and 28 is to 42 proportionate to 42 is to y. Then the value of 2x plus y is, so x, we find the value of x, that is x is equal to 16, and we also find the value x is equal, y is equal to 63. So 2 into x 16 plus 63 y value. So 32 plus 63. So 32 plus 63, we get the value 95. So 2x plus y is equal to 95. Okay, right. So for if see the option 1 69 is not correct, wrong answer, wrong option. Option 2 79 is also wrong option. See the option 3 95 is correct answer. So if you see our videos, if you see the last 3 sessions of RRB Group D, we are seeing at least one question based on proportions. Okay, so focus on proportionate questions. Right. See the question here. What is the question is given? The HCF of any set of 10 co-prime numbers is always. Okay. So the HCF of any set of 10 co-prime numbers is always. Okay. So what is mean by co-prime number? Okay. So co-prime number is a number whose didn't have no common factor except one. So coprime numbers or numbers didn't have a common factor except 1. So, except 1, they didn't have any common factor. So, 1 is the highest common factor for coprime numbers. Okay. So, for any set of numbers, not only for 10, we can take 4, 5, for any set of coprime numbers, the highest common factor for the coprime is 1. So, by using this concept, we can directly click the option 2 is 1. Okay. So, what is coprime? Coprime numbers are numbers which didn't have any common factor except 1. So, in option 2 we have 1. Okay, right. So, shall we move to the next question? Okay, right. See the question, the area, okay, the area of quadrilateral ABCD formed by the vertices. Here they given vertices. So, we are seeing the questions to find the area of triangle, to find the area of square, to find the area of some other polygon value. Okay. So, here they given vertices of the polygon. Okay, right. So, I will give a shortcut method to find the area of quadrilateral by using vertices. Okay. So, they given the vertices 0, A, 0, minus 2, B, 2, 1, C, 0, 4, D, minus 2, 1. Okay, minus 2, 1. Okay, right. So, we have one formula, that is shoelace formula, area for to find quadrilateral, so or area to find polygon. Okay, right. We have formula that nothing but half into modulus x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y4 plus x4 y1 minus, okay, here we taken x1 and here taken y1 x2 plus y2 x3 plus y3 x4 plus y4 x1. Okay. So, this is the simple formula. By using this we can find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, right. So, half into x1. So, here this is the x1, x2, x3, x4 and here the values are y1, y2, y3, y4. Okay. So, x1, y2, x1, y2 0, okay, 0, 0 into 1 0 plus x2, y3, 2 4s are 8 plus, so next x3, y4, so 0 1 we get 0 plus x4, y1, so x4, y1, so minus 2 we get plus 4. Okay, minus again you write a values 0, minus 2, 2, 1, 0, 4, minus 2, 1. These are the values x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3, y4. So, for this y1 x2 plus x3 plus y3 x4 plus y4 x1. Okay. So, see here y1 x2. So, y1 x2, y2 x3, y3 x4, y4 x1. Okay. So, see that here. So, 2 into minus 2 into 2 we get. So, my y1 x2 minus 4 into 2 minus 4. So, minus 2 into 2 we get minus 4 and here 1 into 0 we get 0. So, if you see that here 4 into minus 2 y3 x4 we get 4 into minus 2 we get minus 8. Okay, plus 1 into 0 y4 into x1 we get 0. Okay, so modulus. So 1 by 2, okay, so 8 plus 4, 12 minus into minus 4 plus 0 minus 8 plus 0 minus 12, okay. So we can write 1 by 2 modulus, so 12 plus 12, so 1 by 2 into 24, modulus means plus or minus, so 2 ones are 2 12s. So area of quadrilateral ABCD formed by the vertices A, B, C, D, we find by using Shoeless formula or Gauss formula of calculating area by using vertices, okay, right. So 12 is the area of quadrilateral. So if you see that option 1 itself correct, okay, right. Next question, right, okay. See, 1 minute. See the question. A television cost rupees 35,000 less than a printer, okay. The television cost is 35,000 less than a printer. If the cost of the printer is twice the cost of the television, okay, printer cost is twice the cost of television, then the cost of television is, so according to the question we go according to the question, okay. So here the cost of printer is twice the cost of television, okay. So the cost of printer is twice the cost of television. So what is the cost of television? We don't know. So let us take the television cost be X, okay. Let the television cost be X, okay, right. Next here they given what is the given? If the cost of the printer is twice, okay. So and in first self he given a television cost 35,000 less than the printer. So printer cost is equal to, we can directly write printer cost is equal to, okay, printer cost is equal to, so what is the television cost is 35,000 less than, so printer cost we know the television cost X, printer cost is equal to X plus 35,000, okay. I hope you are getting. So if you take printer cost is equal to X plus 35,000, television cost is less than 35,000, okay, right. So again they given if the printer cost according to the question, if the printer cost is twice the television cost, so twice the television cost, so printer cost is equal to X plus 35,000, printer cost is equal to twice that television cost, so 2x is equal to X plus 35,000, okay. Are you getting, right? See here printer cost is equal to X plus 35,000, I am writing by using this information. Television cost is 35,000 less than the printer cost, so then printer cost is equal to television cost plus 35,000. So we don't know the television cost, we can take X, so printer cost is equal to X plus 35,000. So and here also they given the information printer cost is, if the printer cost is twice the television cost, so printer cost is twice the television cost. So by using these two information we are writing 2x is equal to X plus 35,000. So X is equal to nothing but 35,000. So television cost is 35,000. See the option 3 is rupees 35,000 is correct, okay, right. Next question, right. See the question is based on ages, so damn surely we are seeing at least one question from ages, okay. So focus on ages problems, you can damn surely score 1 mark from ages, okay, right. See the question, my father is presently 25 years older than me, okay. My father is 25 years older than me. the sum of our ages 5 years ago. Okay, the sum of our ages 5 years ago was 39. Okay, there are several methods of solving, so I will give a shortcut method. My father age is 25 years old. Take, let us my age be x. Okay, then my father age will be, what is the given? My father is 25 years older than me. So then according to the question, my father age is x plus 25. Okay, x plus 25. So the sum of our ages 5 years ago, is 39. So then according to the question, sum of our ages now what will become? So sum of our ages 5 years ago is 39. Just add 5 years to father, 5 years to son. Okay, so 5 plus 5, 10. So x plus sum of my ages at x plus 25. So this is the sum of their present ages, and they given sum of their ages 5 years ago is 39. 5 years ago 39, then what will become now? 39 plus 10, we get 49. So see here, 5 is added to the son and 5 is also added to the father. So total 10 will increase from now. Okay, right. So x plus 25 is equal to 49. 2x plus 25 is equal to 49. So 2x is equal to 49 minus 25, we get 24. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So the what is our question? Find my present age. So present age of that my is 12. So see that option 3 is correct. Okay na? Right. Next question. Right. See the question. This question is based on divisibility. If x and y are 2 digits, okay, if x and y are 2 digits of the number 115xy, okay, so 115xy is a number, in that xy are 2 digits, such that this number is divisible by 90, this number is divisible by 90, then the value of x plus y. So this number is divisible by 90. Okay, this number is divisible by 90, then x plus y is equal to what? Okay, then the value of x plus y. So see that 115x5. So you see here in the denominator 90 is there. So 90 is divisible by 10 and 9. Okay, so this number is also divisible by 10. So only one possibility of y is there. Okay, sorry. See 115x, in the place of y I am writing 0. Why? Because if denominator is 90, the numerator, what is the given? X and y are the 2 digits of a number such that 115xy such that this number is divisible by 90. This number is divisible by 90 means the last digit of the number must and should be 0. Why? Because the number 90 must and should be divided when the last number is 0. Okay, so y is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 0. And what about x? So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. See that the number divisible by 9 means sum of digits must be divisible by 9. See that here 1 plus 5 plus x is equal to must and should be 9 multiple. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus x must be multiple of 9. So directly I am writing 9. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So I hope you are getting. So the number must be divisible by 90 means the last digit of a number must and should be 0, and the remaining number must be divisible by 9. Why? Because 0 0 0 0 0 is cancelled. So 115x is divisible by 9 means the sum of digits of number must be divisible by 9. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. Just if we add 2, we get the 9. Okay, right. So x plus y is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So x plus 5 is 2. X plus 4 is correct. Okay, option 4 is correct. Next question. Right. See the question. If three numbers are in the ratio 5:6:8, okay, and the sum of their squares is given 1250, then the product of those numbers, they given a ratio of certain numbers, and they given the sum of their squares is given 1250. We need to find product of those numbers. Okay, so I am writing like this: 5x is to 6x is to 8x. They are in the ratio 5x is to 6x is to 8x. So the sum of their squares means 5x square plus 6x square plus 8x square. So they given 1250. So 5 square 25 x square plus 6 square 36 x square plus 8 square 64 x square is equal to 1250. Okay, so 25 plus 36 plus 64, we get 125. So 125 x square is equal to 1250, x square is equal to 1250 by 125, we get 10. So x is equal to root 10. So what is our question? Then the product of those numbers means 5x into 6x into 8x is equal to, we need to find the product of those numbers. Okay, so we find the value of x. Okay, so 5, what is the value of x? Root 10. 5 into root 10 into 6 into root 10 into 8 into root 10. Okay, so 5 6 are 30, 30 8 are 3 8 are 24, 38 are 240, root 10 we get directly, we can write 10, again we have 1 root 10. So 240 into 10, 2400 root 10. Okay, so 2400 root 10. So option 2 itself correct. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right, see the question. 2 boxes have chocolates in the ratio 7:5. If the difference in the number of chocolates is 28, okay, the difference between the number of chocolates is given 28. Find the number of chocolates in the box with larger number. So let us take the ratio is 7x is to 5x. So they given the difference between chocolates of 2 boxes is 28. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 28. So 2x is equal to 28. X is equal to 14. Okay, so x is equal to 14. So what is our question? Find the number of chocolates in the larger box. So larger box is nothing but by seeing itself we can say larger box is 7 and smaller box is 5. So 7x. So 7x, x is equal to 14. 7 into 14. 14 sevens are 98. So the number of chocolates in the larger box is 98. If you see the option 4 having 98 is correct. Okay, right. So next question, it is a basic level question. See the question, the value of 5 power 3 into 5 power 4 into 5 power 2. So if the bases are equal, the product, suppose see here, a power x into a power y can be written as a power x plus y. Okay, so here bases are equal, and then we simply add the powers. So 5 power 3 into 5 power 4 into 5 power 2 is equal to 5 power 3 plus 4 plus 2. So 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. See, the option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Right. See, the question is based on speed. A truck travels 60 kilometers from city P to city Q. A truck travels 60 kilometers per hour from P to Q. Okay, and returns to city P by the same route at 110 kilometers. This is the going speed, and here they given coming speed 100 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the truck of the whole journey? So we already see that by concept of time, speed and distance, the average speed question is repeating as many as times. Okay, so focus on average speed. So we have the average speed formula. Average speed formula is, so 2xy by x plus y. X is equal to 1 speed, going speed, y is equal to reverse speed, okay, back running speed. So 2 into x is taking as 60, y is taking as 100, so x plus y, so 60 plus 100, so 2 into 60 into 100 by 160, okay, 4 fours are zeros are, okay, sorry, so 2 into 60 into 100 by 160, 0 0 cancel, 4 fours are 425s are, okay, right, 4 ones are 4 3s are, so 2 6 are 12, 4 3s are 12, so 3 into 25 we get 75 kilometers per hour. So the average speed of truck is 75 kilometers per hour. Is the which option is correct? See, the option 3, 75 kilometers per hour is correct. Okay, right. Next question, see the next question. So a motor car starts with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, okay, and increases its speed after every 2 hours. Okay, see, increases its speed after every 2 hours by 15 kilometers per hour, okay, by 15 kilometers per hour. In how much time it will cover a distance of 360 kilometers? So in how much time it will cover 360 kilometers? Okay, see the option 1 is 9 hours, option 2 is 5 hours, option 3 is 7 hours, option 4 is 2 hours. So by using this speed without increasing speed, 360 by 60 we get 6. Okay, by going with the speed of 60, the time will get 6 hours. Here the question is giving after every 2 hours they are increasing 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, so by seeing itself we can damn surely say that option 1 is not correct and option 3 is also not correct. So by using a formula method it take very much of time. I will give a shortcut method. Okay, right. So both 1 and 3 are wrong answers. So if you see that in first 2 hours, okay, they are going with 60 kilometers per hour. In first 2 hours they can cover 120 kilometers. Why? Because first hour 60 kilometers, second hour 60 kilometers. In 2 hours they will complete how many kilometers? 120 kilometers. If you see that option 4 is also wrong. Why? Because in 2 hours they will complete 120 kilometers. Only one option is there, that is option 5. So or else we are doing in second 2 hours, means in second 2 hours, if they increase 15 kilometers per hour, means say 75 kilometers per hour. 60 plus 15, 75 kilometers per hour. 75 kilometers per hour means in 2 hours they will complete 150 kilometers per hour. Okay, right. So if we increase again 2 hours, the speed is 90 kilometers hour. So we'll go with 400 plus. Just we go with 1 hour with 90. We go with 1 hour with 90. Here the speed is 60 kilometers per hour in 2 hours. Here the speed is 75 kilometers per hour in 2 hours. Here we go with 90 kilometers per hour in 2 hours, we go 180, the answer will move on more than 360. Here the distance is 360. So just 1 hour 90 kilometers hour, we get the distance is 360. So only one option is there, that is option 2. So if we go with formula, we take a lot of time. Okay, just eliminate the options which are not satisfied by itself. 1, 3 are not satisfied. By checking first itself, option 2 is also eliminated. Only one option is there, that is option 2 is 5 hours. Okay, right. So here are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D, and some more questions are also there. In next live session, we will discuss that incomplete questions. Okay, so we are also providing a free online batches for banking placements, RRB, SSC. Okay, not only aptitude, reasoning, we are also providing programming. So if you want to join our free online batches, just scan this QR code for register. Okay, so thank you for watching.